Welcome to day 2 of Python. Okay, so let's look over concepts. We're going to see keywords, variables, and identifiers. So, basically, what is keywords? Keywords are predefined or preserved words which are developed by the developers, and each word has its own specific task, and those tasks cannot be changed, and we have to use exact spelling with same cases. Like, what is Python case sensitive? As I said, we have to use that in same case. It means in Python, as it is a case sensitive, if you want to use, like, def is a keyword in Python, we have to use in this way only. As true is a Python, we have to use in this way only. If we change this uppercase t as lowercase t, it throws error. Okay, I will show all the keywords, don't worry. And how to know how many keywords are there and how to access those keywords, and how to know what are keywords. Okay, first we have to import keyword. Then using that keyword, we have to use kw list. So I will show you practically how it can be done. Okay, so there are total 35 keywords present in Python. In those 35 keywords, there are three special keywords. Why special? Because those keywords can also act as value. Like true, it means true means 1. True, or we can say it has a value as 1, and false, it has value as 0. No one is going to ask this, but you should know this. And none means none, nothing is there in that. Before going to variables, I want to show you practically how it can be done. As you, I think you all guys seen previous video where I shown you how to install this Python software. Okay, let's import that keyword. We have to use same pattern. Then keyword dot kw list. Okay, then enter. See, we can see all the 35 keywords. In that we have false, none, and true. These are special keywords. Okay, these are special one, and all these are normal keywords, but we have to use as it is. As I said, true. If true is a special keywords, it has uppercase t, so we have to use as it is, as it is a case sensitive. Okay, and further keywords we will see one by one. I mean, when the task comes over those keywords, definitely I will tell what's their use. Okay, okay, next we go for variables. Variables are nothing but those are the name given to store data or value. Like, see, let this be erased. See, variable is just like, yeah, it is also a variable. And like, I will give something called what we can do, program. Okay, let it be program, and it is a variable, and we have to assign value for that program. What program? Python program. Okay, now it is the value or data stored. You can see here. I will minimize this. Okay, it variables are the name given to store data only. Okay, here there is data, or we can say it as a value. Then what this been called? Variable only. So it is a data. To store this data, we are assigning one variable. Okay, it is a name given to store this data or value, or we can say in another way like variables are nothing but which is used for the memory location. Like, yes, it is a name, but see, it is a value. It is a program keyword. You can store this for any variable like a, b, c, anything you can store. But what this abc means, it is some location, that's it. We can see those location by using id of a, b, c. Okay, see, this is some memory location. We we cannot remember what actually the location that python been stored. So what we do is we assign one variable instead of this number. So that's what this means. Name given for one memory location. Okay, for this location we are assigning this. If I again call this with different variable, you can see like, as I said before, program. Okay, then if I check this id, see, address is same because value is also same, but variable is different. Okay, it means this value will store in some memory location. If value is same, then the address will be same. Okay, but your variable is changing, that doesn't matter. If value is same, the address will be same. We can assign it to any variable. If okay, if I assign this like a different value, okay, different value, okay, now it's been executed, then id of program. Now address being changed, you can see last 3 digits or last 4 digits to verify. See, address being changed because the value is also changed, but variable is same. So we can conclude that if value is same but variables are different, then address will be same. If value is different but keyword is same, then value is a major part for this memory location. Okay, so then what is this id means? It is an inbuilt function which is used to get the location of those values which been stored for variables. Okay, just use id of variable name. Here we have to use variable name. Okay, this is how we use id function. I will take a separate class on id function. Just you know, we have id function and type function. uh, I will discuss all those things. Okay, you get to know what is variables, right? It's just a name given to the value or data. You can say this, this is also correct if you don't remember this second one. Okay, just like you have any name, like school. Okay, school is equal to what school, we can, that is value. Okay, any school, like a cbse board school, any cbse school, like this, it is value and it is school. And this school has also some address like id of that school. See, this is the memory location of that school. So this is a variable. Okay, if you have any doubt, just please comment it down. I will clarify all those your doubts. Okay, next, identifiers. So as I said, you can store the value inside any variable. To declare this variable, there is some rules. Okay, that rules been set by identifiers. Identifiers is used to identify whether the variable name is valid or not. See, if any user comment write like this or e m o, like okay, m o and caps, and we can't we can understand this. Okay, but there is some rules that if someone instead of yes they use dollar. So if they use, okay, instead of school I write as dollar school next remaining letters, like we can the we can write, read this as dollar school. Okay, it's not understandable by everyone. So what they did is they made some rules, like keywords cannot be used as variables. As I said, keywords there are 35 keywords. We can't use them. If we want try to use them, it throws error. Like I will show you. For the words, this letter came in orange color. We can see that. Okay, like for is equal to like 10. It throws error. Okay, it throws syntax error because for is one keyword. Okay, you can use from like 90. It throws error only because we can't use keywords as an variable. Apart from that, yeah, variables can be uppercase or lowercase, um like this, s c h o o l. We can use like this. It won't throw error. Okay, see, it's not thrown error. I will show you again. Okay, it's not throwing an error. Then no special characters can be used. Okay, as I said, in this where is a dollar school. Okay, let it be. We cannot use any special characters like hash, dollar, percentage, like this to assign any values. Okay, it's executing, but we don't want to use, because if we use like this, then no one can understand what actually it's going to do. Okay, we can use underscore like fruit underscore price. By writing like this, we can easily understand they are going to take fruit price. If you write like this fruit price, it will be a bit confusing, so we use like this. Okay, we can use 10. Okay, then space cannot be given in before or in the mid. Like, see, I'm giving space and writing grapes space yes. So if you write like this, it throws error. Okay, now it is indentation error, unexpected indentation. Indentation is nothing but space. That's it. You can give a space at the end any n number of times. Like you use grapes and space space space. Okay, it's a function grapes and space is at the end, and writing 10, it executes, no problem. Then it can be alphanumeric but not start but need not to start from values. Like grapes 1 we can use like this, but we can't use like this because see decimal literals it throwing error. You can use like grapes 1 fruit like this. I'm not giving anything not defined, so let make this correct. Okay, and it's not like a rule, but it shouldn't exist 32 character. We can do, but not necessary of exceeding 32 characters. So I hope you guys are understand or understood. If you have any doubt, you can comment it down. Okay, I will give some hint on type. Next day we will see what actually type and ID is. As I said, school is equal to 10 and type of school is class hint. It's showing me what this school variable having which data type it's been stored. Like it is number, nothing but integer. This school storing an integer data type value. Okay, if this fruit equals like grapes, then if we check this type of fruit, then it gives class string. This is string, it is a data type. I will teach everything in that. See, this school holding a data type called integer, nothing but single value like numbers, and this fruit holding a data type called string because it is enclosed between these codes. I will tell you everything when we go for the data types. This giving class string is nothing but it comes in oops. I will tell you everything because Python treats everything as its class or object. So I hope you all guys understand what the concept being covered today. If you have any doubt, please comment it down. I will clarify all your doubts. Okay guys, thank you.